Another week, and here I am with yet another status update on everything cricket in the times of COVID. Now, I know cricket isn't exactly top of mind for anyone right now, but with countries and governments slowly starting to take small steps towards normalcy, even cricket boards across the world are drawing up plans on the return of the sport. Just this week, we've heard of India possibly playing a series in Sri Lanka and also a series in South Africa. There's also been rule changes that have been proposed by the ICC's cricket committee. So I'm going to talk about all of that in this week's Spotlight. The English cricket team have actually got the ball rolling already, with the ECB calling on 18 pacers to start individual training across 7 stadiums in the country. Now remember, like I said in the last Spotlight, the ECB have already drawn up plans, biosecure plans of hosting West Indies and then Pakistan in test series starting July. So regarding that, they've already called on the pacers to start individual practice sessions, and in 2 weeks they'll call the rest of the team as well. And Stuart Broad in fact took us through the process of the return to training that involved a temperature check, his own set of cricket balls, and well, a personalized bathroom as well. Also this week, the ICC made one big decision that wasn't really welcomed by most of the bowlers in the world. They have in fact banned the use of saliva on the cricket ball. The ICC's cricket committee, headed by Anil Kumble, in fact announced these interim measures where they did say that using sweat on a ball, using sweat to shine a ball was going to be allowed, because their research had shown that it is highly unlikely that the virus can be transmitted through sweat. And in this regard, in fact, they've also recommended handing 1 extra DRS review per innings to each team. Now, all of these recommendations move to the ICC, where they need to be ratified in the 28th May meeting, but highly unlikely that they won't, considering the kind of people who made the decision. Of course, headed by Anil Kumble, there's Rahul Dravid, Mahela Jayawardene in the ICC's cricket committee. And now moving to India, what are the plans for the Indian cricket team? Well, as of now, none really. The MHA guidelines for lockdown 4.0 did announce that stadiums could be opened and sports complexes could be opened, although fans are still banned from these arenas. The BCCI, however, have said that they will wait a little longer to call on any of their players for practice sessions, saying that the borders were still sealed, so travel would be a problem. However, that problem has been solved, as airlines are now going to be operational from the 25th of May. However, there is still no announcement or any update from the BCCI following that. But what isn't being announced or even talked about right now by any of the members of the BCCI or the coaches or the players are India's next series. Now, playing a series at home is next to impossible right now, so it's probably going to be something they play outside of India. And according to the FTP, India is supposed to travel to Sri Lanka around July for a series. So let's see if that actually does take place. Sri Lanka, of course, have been dealing with the coronavirus outbreak quite well right now. Their daily cases have trickled down to 5 to 30 a day. So they have said that they're keen for the tour to go ahead, of course completely depending on if the Sri Lankan government does give clearances for the Indian team to travel, and of course the board to host the series. But let's see how that one goes. Of course, no word as such from the BCCI just yet. But interestingly, this week there has surfaced a new series. Now, India playing South Africa in a T20 series in August is something that was discussed in the last few days. In fact, it's not part of the FTP. It hasn't been discussed. But according to ESPN Cricinfo, BCCI's treasurer Arun Dhumal told them that, and he said, I quote, "We are positive. We've had a healthy discussion, but it is a work in progress as of now." So that does look like that series is on the table as of now. The back channel talk has been going on for a while between South Africa's new director of cricket, Graeme Smith, and BCCI's new president, not so new, BCCI's president, Sourav Ganguly, for a few months. Graeme Smith, in fact, also has been suggesting that Sourav Ganguly should take over at the ICC and head the ICC. Once Shashank Manohar's tenure finishes in a couple of months. So let's see where that conversation is headed, and if that has anything to do with the suggestion of India traveling to South Africa for that T20 series in August.